Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to episode 6 of Building Your Home Step by Step. We are back here. Last time we were here there wasn't much, so I wanted to show you, the whole house has been framed up. I wanted to show you around some of the things that we've done to the home. And here we're in the family room / kitchen. The kitchen's going to be right here. We're going to have an island running through here, and then we're going to have the stove and everything running through back here. The ceilings in this room are actually 11-foot ceilings, so it feels really big. Really big windows over here. There's going to provide the view. The fireplace is going to go right in here. Connection for the TV. The roof for the patio is built into the roof of the home. So it's going to turn out really nice, some nice views. We've got the arches around the openings. Then is the shear walls that have been installed. Everything that's on a footing on the home has been bolted down. They also installed this strong wall. You can see it's made out of metal. That's kind of like the central hub for everything. And a lot of these tie downs too. Also with the trusses on the home, these 2x4s are going to start being removed. These were just put in temporarily to hold the structure together while they put the trusses on. Also the sheeting on the roof was put on, and it's got a radiant barrier that's for the green code. Then we're going to put the paper on the roof, have the tile delivered. We're going to have the rough electrical, rough plumbing, and the rough HVAC start getting put in. We'll be back then. We'll show you what the guys are doing, what kind of materials they're using, and we'll see you for episode 7.